Today, Tree of Thought Prompting builds a decision tree for AI brilliance. Stay tuned to level up your skills with us. Here at PromptYES, we're passionate about empowering you with cutting-edge AI tools to boost your creativity, productivity, and problem-solving. Let's dive in. What is Tree of Thought Prompting? Tree of Thought Prompting is an advanced technique that guides the AI to explore multiple reasoning paths, much like a decision tree in action. It starts with a central problem and branches out into various possibilities, allowing the AI to evaluate each option carefully before reaching a conclusion. Think of it as giving the AI a mental map where it can navigate through different scenarios, weigh the pros and cons, and select the most effective solution, making it a dynamic tool for complex challenges. This method stands out because it mimics human decision-making, offering a structured yet flexible approach to problem-solving that you can adapt to any situation. Why use this technique? This technique is perfect for tackling complex decisions that involve multiple variables or uncertain outcomes, where a single answer isn't enough. It ensures the AI doesn't rush to a conclusion but instead considers all angles, providing a comprehensive analysis that builds confidence in the result. Whether you're strategizing for business, innovating new ideas, or teaching critical thinking, Tree of Thought Prompting transforms how you leverage AI into a game-changer for detailed, reliable outputs. It's especially valuable in today's fast-paced world, where exploring every possibility can give you a competitive edge in decision-making. How to use Tree of Thought Prompting. Step 1. Pose a problem that naturally lends itself to multiple outcomes. Start broad to open up possibilities. Example: decide the best marketing strategy for a new product launch. Step 2. Ask the AI to branch out into distinct options, encouraging it to think divergently. Add: explore social media, email marketing, and paid ads, listing pros and cons for each path. Step 3. Request a detailed evaluation of each branch, pushing the AI to analyze deeply. Like: compare costs, reach, and engagement rates for each option with clear reasoning. Step 4. Guide the AI to select the best path based on the analysis, ensuring a logical conclusion. Follow with: recommend the top strategy with a step-by-step justification and potential risks. Where to use Tree of Thought Prompting? With applied examples. This technique shines in fields where decisions require careful consideration and exploration of alternatives. Use it for education to teach students how to make informed choices through structured thinking. Example: plan a school event. Explore indoor, outdoor, and virtual options with steps, including weather considerations, costs, and student engagement for each. You'll get a detailed lesson plan that walks students through weighing pros and cons, perfect for classroom discussions. Apply it for business to choose investments or strategies with a thorough risk-reward analysis. Example: evaluate tech stock investments. Branch into risk levels, growth potential, and stability, then assess historical data and market trends for each. The AI delivers a comprehensive investment guide that balances short-term gains with long-term stability. Use it for innovation to brainstorm and refine product ideas with a multifaceted approach. Example: design a new gadget. Explore features like portability, cost-effectiveness, and market fit, then evaluate user feedback and production challenges for each. You'll get a creative, evaluated concept ready for prototyping or pitching to stakeholders. Real-world examples in action. Advanced usage. Let's dive into advanced scenarios where this technique shines with greater depth. Example 1. Developing a software feature with a focus on user experience and scalability. Start with: design a new app feature to improve user engagement. Refine with: branch into user interface enhancements, security upgrades, and performance optimizations, detailing user testing results and technical feasibility for each. Follow up: choose the best option with trade-offs, including development time and resource allocation. You get a prioritized, reasoned design that balances user needs with technical constraints, ideal for a development team. Example 2. Planning a comprehensive travel itinerary with diverse preferences in mind. Start with: plan a 5-day trip for a family of 4. Refine with: explore beach, city, and mountain options with costs, travel time, and activities for kids and adults, plus safety considerations for each destination. Then, select the best with a detailed schedule, including backup plans for weather disruptions. The result is a tailored, optimized plan that caters to varied family needs and anticipates potential challenges, ready for execution. Benefits of Tree of Thought Prompting. It uncovers the best solution by thoroughly exploring every possible path, ensuring no stone is left unturned. The branching approach boosts thoroughness, giving you a complete picture that's hard to achieve with linear methods. It saves time by avoiding dead ends early, letting you focus on the most promising options. It's versatile for planning, creativity, or education, making it a universal tool for any AI user. Tips for advanced usage. Start with 3-5 clear branching points to keep the tree manageable yet diverse. Label each branch for clarity, like Path A, social media, to track progress easily. Use follow-ups to deepen analysis, such as expand Path B with market data. Example: think through each branch, then prioritize based on ROI. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't overload with too many branches. Stick to a focused set to avoid confusion. Avoid skipping evaluation. Compare all paths with metrics like cost or impact. Don't leave the tree unfinished. Always pick a winner with clear reasoning. Keep the structure logical and avoid overlapping branches that muddy the decision. Conclusion: Tree of Thought Prompting is your key to smarter AI decisions, and here at PromptYES, we're dedicated to helping you master it. It's thorough, strategic, and perfect for any challenge. Try it today to transform your AI game with our expert guidance. PromptYES is your partner in unlocking AI's potential, so subscribe for more innovative techniques, hit like if you love this, and join our growing community. Share your best branching idea or challenge in the comments. We can't wait to see your creativity shine.